What's up, Liam?
Oh, hey, Parker.
What you doing?
I'm going to Jiu-Jitsu.
Isn't that like karate?
Kind of, but different.
You and I know a lot about different, huh? So how'd you get into it?
Life has always been a little different being in a wheelchair. But my doctors and nurses at Shriners Children's have always given me the most amazing care to be able to do all the things I love. Jiu-Jitsu was something I always wanted to try. It's taught me so much about being strong with my mind and my body. And it's given me the confidence to know that I can do whatever I put my mind to.
Wow, that's amazing. Speaking of confidence, I could use a little help with my shot. Think you help me?
Yeah, I got you.
My man, come on, let's go.